Jai Hind, this is Rakesh Sahu from PSC Academy. Today we are going to discuss in World Geography, Asia continent. There are 48 countries in Asia continent. We will design 48 countries of Asia continent in such a way that which country touches which other country or not. Right now I am going to design 48 countries of Asia continent. Look at here. This is our country India. 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 Here is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. This is Azad Kashmir. This portion of Kashmir is occupied by China. That's why it is known as Aksai China. This is neighbor country of India, Pakistan. This is Pakistan. This is Pakistan. This portion of Kashmir is occupied by Pakistan. That's why it is known as Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Here is Afghanistan. This is Afghanistan. This is Afghanistan. This is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is not directly touching the country India because Afghanistan is touching here Pakistan occupied Kashmir. This portion of Kashmir is occupied by Pakistan. It means we can say Afghanistan is not directly touching our country India because this portion is Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Here is a country Iran. Iran is touching here Afghanistan and Pakistan. This is Iran. The old name or ancient name of Iran is Persia or Faras. Persia or Faras. Persia or Faras. This is Iran. Here is a country. This is Turkey. This is Turkey. This is Turkey. Turkey. This is Turkey. Turkey touches two European countries. Here is Greece and Bulgaria. Bulgaria and Greece. These are the countries of Europe continent. This is Turkey. In between Turkey and Iran, here is a country Iraq. This is Iraq. This is Iraq. The old name of Iraq is Macedonia. Macedonia. This is Macedonia. The old name or ancient name of Iraq is Macedonia. Here is a country. This is Syria. This is Syria. This portion is divided into two parts. This is Jordan. This is Jordan. This is Israel. This is Israel. This is known as Israel. Israel. In between Israel and Jordan, here is a country. This is Palestine. This is Palestine. This is Palestine. The old name of Palestine is Philistine. Philistine. The old name of Palestine is Philistine. Here is Gaza Strip. This is Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine. This is Gaza Strip. This is Gaza Strip. Gaza Patti. Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine or Philistine. Gaza Strip and Israel is connected with African country Egypt. This is Gaza Strip and this is Palestine. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine and this portion is Israel. This is Jordan. This is Syria. Okay. I am going to draw here Saudi Arabia. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Saudi Arabia. This is Saudi Arabia. In between Iraq and Saudi Arabia, here is a country, Kuwait. This is Kuwait. This is Kuwait. Here is a country, Qatar. Here is a country, Qatar. Qatar touches only Saudi Arabia. Kuwait touches two countries, Iran and Saudi Arabia. Here is a country, this is UAE. This is UAE, United Arab Emirat. UAE means United. This means United Arab Emirates. This is United Arab Emirat. Here is a country, Oman. This is Oman. And this is Yemen. Oman, Yemen. UAE touches two countries, Saudi Arabia and Oman. Oman touches two countries, UAE and Saudi Arabia. Yemen touches two countries, Oman and Saudi Arabia. Qatar touches only one country, Saudi Arabia. Kuwait touches two countries, Iran and Saudi Arabia. Jordan touches here Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Syria, Israel and Palestine or Palestine. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine. Okay. Look at here. Here is an island country. What is the meaning of island? Island is a land space which is surrounded by the water. These are the water spaces. It means this is an island country that is known as Bahrain. That is known as Bahrain. Bahrain is an island country. It means Bahrain is not touching any of other countries by the land space. Okay. Here is also a country that is Cyprus. That is Cyprus. Cyprus is also an island country. It means it is also surrounded by the water. Okay. Here is a country, Maldives. This is Maldives. Maldives. Here is an island country that is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Here is neighbor country of India connected with land space. This is Bangladesh. 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 Here is neighbor country of India. This is Nepal. This is Nepal. Here is also a neighbor country of India. This is Bhutan. This is Bhutan. Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh. Okay. Here is neighbor country of India. This is Myanmar. This is Myanmar. The old name of Myanmar or the ancient name of the Myanmar is Burma. The old name of Myanmar is Burma. The ancient name of Myanmar is Burma. Here is another country. This is Thailand. This is Thailand. Thailand. This is Thailand. Myanmar, Thailand. Myanmar, Thailand. Myanmar, Thailand. Myanmar, Thailand. Okay. This is a country that is Laos. This is Laos. Here is a country. This is Cambodia. This is Cambodia. This is Cambodia. Here is a country. This is Cambodia. Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia. Here is a country. This is Vietnam. This is Vietnam. Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam. Here is a country that is Malaysia. This is Malaysia. This is Malaysia. Here is an island country. Here is an island country. This is Singapore. This is Singapore. This is Singapore. Here is also an island country. This is Indonesia. This is Indonesia. This is Indonesia. Indonesia. There are 17,508 islands in Indonesia. There are 17,508 islands in Indonesia. It means the largest group of islands in the world is Indonesia. It means the largest groups of islands in the world is Indonesia, because there are 17,508 islands in Indonesia. Here is an island of Indonesia. Is divided into two parts. First part is also Indonesia. This is the part of Indonesia, but this is an independent country. This is known as Timor-Leste. 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 In this island, there are two countries. First portion is the part of Indonesia, but the second portion of this island is an independent country, that is Timor-Leste. Here is also an island. The first portion is of Indonesia. The first portion of this island is of Indonesia, but the second portion is an independent country, that is Papua New Guinea. 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 This is Papua New Guinea. This is the portion of, this is the country. Papua New Guinea is a country of Australia continent, and this is Timor-Leste. This is Timor-Leste. The first portion is of Indonesia. Here is also the first portion is Indonesia. Okay. This is also an island. This is also an island. This is also an island. In this island, here is an independent country, that is Brunei. Brunei. The second portion, this is the second portion. This portion is occupied by Malaysia. 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 And this portion is occupied by Indonesia. This is an island. In this island, there are three countries. First is an independent country, that is Brunei. This portion is occupied by Malaysia. This portion is occupied by Indonesia. And there are overall lots of islands in Indonesia, because Indonesia has 17,508 islands. It means the largest group of islands in the world is Indonesia. Okay. Brunei touches only Malaysia. Brunei touches only Malaysia. Here is Indonesia touches Timor-Leste, Papua New Guinea. Indonesia touches Malaysia. It means Indonesia touches three countries. First is Timor-Leste, Papua New Guinea and Malaysia. Brunei touches only one country, that is Malaysia. That is Malaysia. And Malaysia touches here Thailand 1, Brunei 2, Indonesia 3. It means Malaysia touches three countries. Timor-Leste touches only one country, Indonesia. Papua New Guinea only touches Indonesia. It means one country. Brunei touches only one country. Singapore does not touch any of the country because Singapore is an island. It means Singapore does not touch any other countries. It means 0. Here I am going to draw China. Here I am going to draw China. This is China. This is China. Here I am going to draw. This is China. Here above China, this is a country, that is Mongolia. That is Mongolia. This is a country, that is Mongolia. Okay. Here above the China, here is a country, that is Russia. This is Russia. Russia is a country of Europe continent. Russia is an European continent. Okay. Here I am going to draw in between Russia and the China. This is North Korea. This is North Korea. This is North Korea. And here is below the North Korea. This is South Korea. This is South Korea. It means South Korea only touches North Korea. South Korea only touches one country, North Korea. North Korea touches 3 countries, Russia, China and South Korea. It touches 3 countries. Mongolia touches 2 countries, Russia and China. Russia and China, 2 countries. Here is an island country, that is Japan. Here is an island country, that is Japan. Japan does not touch any other countries. It means 0 because it is an island country. Look at here. This is Turkey. Turkey touches 2 European countries. First is Bulgaria and second is this is Syria and this is Israel. In between Syria and Israel, here is a country, that is Lebanon. This is Lebanon. Okay, Lebanon touches only 2 countries. First is Syria and second is Israel. Here is a country. Here is a country, Philippines. This is Philippines. This is Philippines. Okay. Above the Afghanistan, here is a country, that is T for Tajikistan. T for Tajikistan. This is Tajikistan. Here is a country, that is U for Uzbekistan. U for Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. This is China. This is China. Here is a country, that is Kyrgyzstan. K for Kyrgyzstan. This is Kyrgyzstan. This is Kyrgyzstan. This is Kyrgyzstan. In between Iran and Afghanistan, here is a country, T for Turkmenistan. T for Turkmenistan. This is Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. This is Kyrgyzstan. Above the Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan, here is a country, that is Kazakhstan. This is Kazakhstan. This is Kazakhstan. Okay. China touches 14 countries. First, here Pakistan occupied Kashmir. It means Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Vietnam, North Korea. Here is Russia. This is also part of Russia, Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. This is Kyrgyzstan. This is Tajikistan, or this is Afghanistan. China touches 14 countries. China touches 14 countries. Okay, here I am going to draw, this is Caspian Sea, this is Caspian Sea, this is Caspian Sea, C for Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea touches 5 countries. Caspian Sea touches 5 countries. This is Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea touches 5 countries. Here is a country that is A for Azerbaijan. A for Azerbaijan. This is A for Azerbaijan. In between Turkey and Iran, here is a country. This is A for Armenia. A for Armenia. In between Turkey and Iran, here is a country, Armenia. This is Azerbaijan. This is a portion of Azerbaijan. This is a portion of Azerbaijan which touches Turkey. This portion of land is of Azerbaijan. This portion of land is of Azerbaijan. It means Azerbaijan touches here Armenia, and this portion of Azerbaijan is touches Turkey. Here is a country that is Georgia. This is Georgia. This is Georgia. This is Georgia. This is Georgia. And this portion is Russia. This portion is Russia. It means this portion is Russia. It means this sea. This is Caspian Sea. This is Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea touches Russia 1, Kazakhstan 2, Turkmenistan 3, Iran 4, and Azerbaijan 5. Caspian Sea touches 5 countries. First is Russia, Kazakhstan 2, Turkmenistan 3, Iran 4, and Azerbaijan 5. Okay. Turkey touches 2 countries of Europe continent. I am going to draw here Europe continent so that we can understand the Black Sea. Here I will draw Black Sea. First of all, I have to draw European continent. Look at here. This is Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. This is Denmark. This is Poland. There are 4 countries. Czech Republic, Austria. This is Slovakia, Slovenia, Hungary. This is Switzerland. This is Netherlands, Holland, Belgium, Luxembourg, Portugal, Spain, France. This is Italy. Here, this is Romania. This is R for Romania. This is Romania. This is Ukraine. Romania, Ukraine. And this is Belarus. There are 4 countries. Here, there are 4 countries in continuous manner. First is Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, and this is Albania. This is Kosovo, North Macedonia. This is Serbia. This is Greece. Turkey touches the European country Greece, and this is Bulgaria. Turkey touches 2 European countries. First is Greece and second is Bulgaria. Bulgaria. Here I'm going to draw the Black Sea. Here I'm going to draw, this is Black Sea. This is Black Sea. This is Black Sea. Black Sea touches 6 countries, 4 European countries and 2 Asian countries. This is Black Sea. This is Black Sea. Black Sea touches 4 European country. Look at here. Here I am going to draw Norway, Sweden, Finland. This is Norway, Sweden, Finland. Norway, Sweden, Finland. And this is Russia. This is Russia. Okay. This is Russia. This whole portion is Russia. It means Black Sea touches 6 countries. First, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Russia. These are the 4 countries of Europe continent and 2 countries of Asia, Turkey and Georgia. Black Sea touches 6 countries, in which 4 countries are of European country and remaining 2 countries are of Asian countries. First, Russia. This is Russia, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Turkey and Georgia. Here I am going to draw. This is Africa continent. This is Africa continent. Here I am going to draw Africa continent. Here I am going to draw, this is African continent. This is Africa. This is Africa. This is Africa. This is Africa. Here is a country of Africa. Here is a country of Africa. That is, this is Africa continent. This is the country of Africa. That is Egypt. That is Egypt. Egypt touches Israel and the Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine or Philistine. It means Egypt touches 2 Asian countries. First is Israel. That is Israel. That is Israel. That is Israel. And this is Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip. Gaza Strip is a part of Palestine or Philistine. It means African country Egypt touches 2 Asian countries. First is Israel and second is Gaza Strip, means Palestine. Palestine. This is Egypt. This is Egypt. This is Egypt. This portion is called Egypt. This is Egypt. Below the Europe continent and above the Africa continent, this whole water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. This is 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 this portion. This portion is known as this portion. This portion is known as Red Sea. This portion is known as Red Sea. This portion is known as Red Sea. This is Red Sea. This water space is known as Red Sea. This water space, this whole area, this water space is known as Mediterranean Sea. This is Mediterranean Sea. In Egypt, there is a canal. In Egypt, there is an canal. This is an canal. This is called Suez Canal. This is called Suez Canal. This is called Suez Canal. It means Suez Canal connects Red Sea with Mediterranean Sea. This is Suez Canal which connects Red Sea with Mediterranean Sea. Here is a strait. Here is a strait. Here is a strait. Here is actually the Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. The Mediterranean Sea is connected with Atlantic Ocean by this strait. This strait is known as Gibraltar. Gibraltar Strait. This is Gibraltar Strait. A strait means which connects to water spaces and disconnect to land space. A strait means which connects to water spaces, just like two oceans or two seas, and this connects to land spaces. Okay, this is Gibraltar Strait. Gibraltar Strait. And this is Suez Canal in Egypt, which connects Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Okay, look at here. This is Black Sea. Black Sea touches 6 countries, and this is Caspian Sea which touches 5 countries. This portion of water space is called Persian Gulf. This is called Persian Gulf. This is called Persian Gulf. This is called Persian Gulf. And this water space is known as Gulf of Oman. This is called Gulf of Oman. Gulf of Oman. And this water space is called Arabian Sea. This is called Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. And this water space is called Bay of Bengal. This is called Bay of Bengal. This is called Bay of Bengal. Then look at here. Here we have discussed the 48 countries of Asia continent. India touches here Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan. This is Myanmar, Bangladesh. It means there are 6 countries which directly touches the India. Here Afghanistan is not directly touching the India. It means India touches 6 countries directly. Pakistan touches Iran, second Afghanistan, third here China and India. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at here. Pakistan touches here first Iran, second Afghanistan, third here China, fourth here India. Pakistan touches 4 countries. Afghanistan touches here first China, second Tajikistan, fourth Uzbekistan, fifth Turkmenistan, sixth Iran, and 7 this is Pakistan. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and this is 6th. Afghanistan touches 6 countries. If I am talking about the Iran touches first Pakistan, second Afghanistan, third Turkmenistan, fourth Azerbaijan, fifth This is Armenia. 6th, Turkey. 7th, Iraq. This is Turkey. Turkey touches. This portion is of Azerbaijan. First Azerbaijan, second Armenia, third Georgia, fourth Bulgaria, fifth Greece, sixth Syria, seventh this is Iraq, and eighth Iran. Okay, Iraq touches Turkey first, second Iran, third Kuwait, fourth Saudi Arabia, fifth Jordan, sixth Syria. Sixth country. Okay, this is Syria. Syria touches first Turkey, second Iraq, third Jordan, fourth Israel, and fifth Lebanon. Lebanon touches two countries, Syria and Israel. This is Jordan. Jordan touches first Syria, second Iraq, third Saudi Arabia, fourth Israel, fifth Palestine. Israel touches Lebanon first, second Syria, fourth Jordan, fifth Palestine, and sixth Egypt. First, second, third, fourth. This is Israel. Israel touches first. This is Lebanon. First Lebanon, second Syria, third one is Jordan, fourth one is Palestine, and fifth one is Egypt. 5 countries. This is Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia touches first, this is Jordan, second Iraq, third Kuwait, fourth Qatar, fifth UAE, sixth Oman, seventh Yemen. Yemen touches 2 country, Oman touches 2 country, UAE touches 2 country, Qatar touches only 1 country, that is Saudi Arabia. Kuwait touches Iraq, and that is Saudi Arabia, 2 countries. Here we can find out which country touches which another country. Here I have drawn here 48 countries of Asia. 48 countries of Asia, that is India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran, Turkey, Syria, Jordan, Israel, that is Palestine, this is Lebanon, Cyprus, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE, Oman, Yemen, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Indonesia, Timor-Leste, this is Philippines, this is Japan, North Korea, South Korea, this is China, Mongolia. Russia is a country of Europe. This is Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Georgia. These are the 48 countries of Asia. Here we have discussed 48 countries of Asia. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.